Hello, e-commerce store owners. I hope you are doing well in your life. But you are doing also the biggest mistake of your life in your e-commerce stores. But which type of mistake you are doing in your e-commerce stores? In this video, I will tell you for your mistake. But after watching this video, you will not regret to watch this video. So let's start. You know that your e-commerce store owner reduces their spendings up to 70% and also boost their sales 40% within the month. Yes, guys, he did all these things and now also he doing these things. Within a month, he reduces 70% spendings on customer support and also boost their sales up to 40%. So, question is here. Have we done not only John, also more people like Alex, Maninder from India, and John, and also more of them using our secret. But which type of secret they are using to reduce their spendings? So, in this video, I am telling you this secret. They all are using our AI lead generation chatbot and customer support bots. Our AI lead generation customer support chatbot providing customer support to the users or your customers. Our AI chatbot solve the queries of the customer and also generate lead for yourself. And the biggest thing is our AI chatbot also recommend your top products to the customers and help them to buy this product and then all things about your store, about your products, about your motive and lot of things our AI chatbot does. Now comes to the point. Users of our AI chatbot. Users of our AI chatbot product recommendation according to user behavior. Our AI chatbot recommended the product of your e-commerce store to their user that they should buy, and with the help of product recommendation filter, you can boost your sales. Now come to the another feature, ChatGPT for integration in your bot. Our AI chatbot communicate to the user according to their behavior, messages and response. So, in any situation, if the user behaves like a rude behavior, then our AI chatbot handle them and convert your rude user into a happy customer. That's the main point our AI chatbot done, and all of them our customers like Alex, John, Maninder did all of these things and now doing what? We are providing custom AI chatbot also in your e-commerce store and help them your e-commerce store to boost their sales up to 40% and help them to the e-commerce store owners to boost their sales up. Also reduce the spendings of your e-commerce store up to 70%. So if you want this AI chatbot right now, book a meeting and we talk about the e-commerce stores and problems of you are facing right now in customer support or lead generation. Then we set up your AI chatbot within 4 hours and you can reduce your spendings after 4 hours. Thank you so much.